How to create and use formulas and functions in Microsoft Excel. Open your Microsoft Excel workbook. Select the cell where you want to insert a function. Switch to the Formulas tab. Click the Insert Function button to open the Formula Builder pane on the right side of the window. In the Formula Builder pane, use the search box or browse the function categories to find the function you need. Consider functions like sum, average, and count for common calculations. After selecting a function, click Insert Function. Next, enter each argument into the fields, typing values or selecting cells and ranges. Click the Done button to insert the function into the worksheet. Use formulas and functions to perform calculations and analyze data efficiently in Microsoft Excel. Done.